Okay, so after you have a shot of tequila, just warm, you have to, you drink some beer. And we have Pacifico beer. And in these 6-packs, it's awesome because you get, oh, Yankees! But don't worry, Annie. There's a Red Sox can, too! Red Sox can.
Hold it still. There you go.
Do it from the beginning.
There you go.
Again?
Yep.
Beginning?
Whatever you want.
That's my second tequila shot. And Pacifico beers, on the back you get Red Sox, and you also get the Yankees, but we don't care.